Welcome. This is the second video in the process of illustrating using OpenSSL to create a vendor-signed SSL certificate. In the first video, we went ahead and created the CSR. In this video, we're going to submit the CSR to the certificate vendor and get back the results, our server certificate and the intermediate certificates. For the purposes of this demo, we are using GeoTrust. And in this case, we have already established an account with GeoTrust and have applied for their free or trial certificate that's good for 30 days. I'm going to go ahead and show the reissue certificate because it shows each of the steps that you do in the process when you first created it. So one of the things to keep in mind is that we have a choice of using for our root certificate, a SHA-256 or a SHA-1 root. If you choose the SHA-1 root, it has greater browser capability, but it is less secure. If you use the SHA-256, it is more secure, but some clients may not be able to use it. We're going to go ahead and use the SHA-256 for greater security. The next step is they want us to enter the CSR. This is the CSR that we created in the last video. We're going to go ahead and open that file. We're going to cut and paste. Oops, sorry. We're going to paste it into their browser portal. We're going to agree to the SSL certificate subscriber agreement and submit it. Once we have submitted this, we will be getting an email back from the vendor that we'll have to then peruse. So we'll wait until that's done. Here we've received back the email from GeoTrust asking us to approve it. Essentially, this came into my admin at SSPR demo account, and we'll need to click on it and approve it. So once we click on that, we then see the approval piece, whereas I, as the administrator, need to approve the request for the certificate. So I scroll down to the bottom and click the I approve button. Now that we have approved the request, the vendor will go ahead and create the certificate. In our case, we're going to go back to the GeoTrust account and go into their user portal. In order to get here, I had to provide access via a couple emails to open the portal and then to get to the portal. Once we're in the portal, we're going to go ahead and do the view certificate information piece. In this case, it's going to have our certificate, which we're going to download. We're going to save that certificate onto our SSPR demo site directory. We save our certificate file, and we're also going to save the intermediate file. In this case, we're choosing the certificate issuer file and downloading it. So we've been able to acquire from the vendor the certificate for our server as well as the intermediate certificate. Now, for different vendors, the web pages for this will look somewhat different, but they will be similar in that you have to get the same types of information. So that sums up acquiring all the pieces that we need, and in the next video we'll show putting those together.